In this video, I'm sharing a Hello Kitty cake design made with white chocolate candy clay. If you like what you see, subscribe and ring the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. It starts with 2 tiers of a crumb-coated marble cake with strawberries and buttercream inside. The bottom tier is covered with rosettes. The rosettes are made with a tip number 22 and my favorite Italian meringue buttercream recipe. If you want a free copy of my top 5 buttercream recipes, head over to Wedding Cakes For You website and check out the little red book on the right side of the page. Just click on that and you'll get your free download. To make a rosette, start at the 9 o'clock position if you're right-handed. Squeeze as you move the tip in a circular motion to the right. When you get to the end point, release the pressure but continue moving the tip. If you're left-handed, start at the 3 o'clock position and move left. To create an ombre color effect, start with your lighter color first and then work your way down to the darker color. This way you can just mix in a little additional color with each line of rosettes. The Hello Kitty, the flowers, and the plaque are made with candy clay, which is also known as chocolate modeling paste. I will link up to the recipe for you at the end of the video. The candy clay can be colored easily. Just mix in a little bit to the piece of clay and mix it in with your hands. It's super easy. You'll need cornstarch. You'll need an X-Acto, skewers, a rolling pin, tappets if you're going to do letters or numbers, and a small amount of gum paste. A ball tool comes in handy, and some cutters for flowers and leaves. Warm up the candy clay for a few seconds in the microwave and then you can knead it and roll it out. Watch how I make the Hello Kitty. You can see my very detailed tutorial on making Hello Kitty if you need the voice instruction. The link is below and at the end of the video for you. The process is the same for fondant, gum paste, and modeling chocolate. I adjusted the height of Hello Kitty body by cutting off a piece. Thanks for watching my Hello Kitty cake design. If you have any questions about what you saw in the video, just leave me a comment below. Wedding Cakes For You provides aspiring bakers with the recipes and steps for building skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and cherished memories. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.